Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is locate root 2 on the number line. So guys, let us see how we can locate root 2 on the number line. Here the question is asking us to locate root 2 on the number line. To locate root 2 on the number line. Guys, this is very easy. This is very easy to find out root 2 on the number line. Now guys, if you look here onto the screen, I have posted a number line so that we can see how we can find out root 2 easily on this number line. Now look here. This is a number line that I have already drawn and I have posted it here on the screen. If you look here, so the number line actually should contain the numbers. Now first of all, I have identified this one as O or 0. This one is the 0. This one is 1. This one is 2. This one is 3. Similarly, towards the left side here, this point is going to be -1 and this point is going to be -2. That means in between this point, these points are 0.5. These particular points, these points are 0.5. These are 1.5, 2.5, and so on. So, but our main intention or main purpose here is to find out root 2 on the number line. So let us draw a square taking 1 unit each side. So square means if you take one side as 1 unit, the other side should also be 1 unit. So 1 unit means 0 to 1. Taking 0 to 1 as 1 unit, so I have drawn a square here. Taking 0 to 1 as 1 unit, I have drawn a square. Let me name this square as A, B, C, D. Hope guys till here we are very clear. So what we did, I had just drawn a number line and I have drawn a square taking 1 unit, taking the side as 1 unit. Now let us join the diagonals which will become AC. Let us join the diagonals which will become AC. Now you could see that we have a right angle triangle, like ABC is a right angle triangle here. You could see that ABC is a right angle triangle. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, the Pythagoras theorem says that AC square. Now actually our main intention or main focus is on the triangle, on the right angle triangle ABC. So here we are focusing, our intention or our focus is here on this right angle triangle ABC. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, I can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, or I can write AC is equal to root over of AB square plus BC square. I hope we all know what is Pythagoras theorem and what is the formula. Now after applying the Pythagoras theorem, as I told you, we have considered all these sides as 1 unit. This is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and here also this is 1 unit. So as we have considered this as 1 unit, so AB square, or I can write AC is equal to AB square. AB square is 1 square because our side length is 1 unit, plus BC square, this one is also going to be 1 unit. Now we need to find out the root over, or I can write AC is equal to, 1 plus 1. 1 square means it is 1, so 1 plus 1, or I can write AC is equal to root 2. So guys, what we got? We got AC, the diagonal of this square, that is AC, is root 2. You could see that the diagonal of this square is root 2. This is what we got now. Now the next step is take a compass of the length AC, keeping here the point of the compass, the pointer of this compass, measure AC and then draw a arc starting from C and join it at E. Join it on the number line intersect it on the number line, the arc where it intersects on the number line, that particular point is our root 2. That particular point is our root 2. How? Because we have taken the distance, we have measured the distance from A to C using an arc, and the distance between A to C is root 2. So we have drawn a arc taking AC, and the point where it intersects in the number line is root 2. Or in other words, we can also say, if I name this point as E, then we can say that the distance between AE is root 2. Hope guys you understood this, how easy it is to draw a number line or find and draw a root 2 on the number line, or to show root 2 on the number line. Guys, if you have any questions on this, please reach out to me on the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.